Hello everyone, welcome! Today our stick painting works are party hat and color. With a black marker, draw a shape like a cut of a watermelon. Draw a small border at the bottom. Draw 5 ribbons at the top of the hat. Draw 2 curves, draw flower dots. Finally, add a festive atmosphere. And paint some small colored paper around it. Look, the simple picture is done. Now, wood. That's really great. Now let's start coloring. Yellow. Pink, gray violet, rose, red, pink, illuminating. Yellow, red, light green, raspberry green, lime, sky blue, blue illuminating, yellow, red, gray violet, purple, yellow. Our work has been completed. It is very beautiful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.